Hi, it's Bill again, Lung Trainers. Today we're going to talk about putting your lung trainer together. And the lung trainer that I brought with me is the personal trainer. It uses 3 digital displays and LED lights for pressure. I've already taken it out of the package, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my stand. Notice there's a little black piece on the front. I'm going to take that black piece off. That's the only piece you really have to put together. And you're going to screw it right into the bottom of the lung trainer. It's very, very easy to screw in, and that's where you're going to attach your air tube. I have my 3 inserts, and my 3 inserts are actually numbered 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 goes down at the bottom. I'm going to open up my dust cover. It's very easy to open. Set it to the side, and I'm just going to drop it in. I'm going to screw back the dust cover so if I blow too hard, the insert doesn't come up. My other inserts, I can either put them in the insert holes on the top, or I can store them away. I brought 2 mouthpieces with me today. Our standard mouthpiece uses a copper air regulator with a personal mouthpiece, and that personal mouthpiece comes in different colors, and it screws right off. Very easy. I'm going to just push it in to that black transition piece down at the bottom and turn it on, and I'm ready to go. Remember, when you're using the lung trainer, you're only going to use the outer part. You don't have to put your mouth over the mouthpiece. You can just place it up against your lips, and you're going to blow very lightly. And you're in business. You're ready to go. Enjoy your lung trainer. Remember, you can always find new exercises on the web. And before we go, our newest mouthpiece, which uses an all plastic personal mouthpiece and air regulator, fits on to a 1-person only air tube. Really resilient, really tough. And this is our newest one out. You're going to be able to get that one also. So look at our catalog, determine if you want one of these, which has a copper air regulator and a silver line tube with personal mouthpiece, or you get the personal entire attachment. We look forward to hearing from you. Email us at info@lungtrainers.com. Find us on the web. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Please look at our other videos, and if you have a suggestion, let us know. We'll be happy to make whatever we need to make you have a better experience with the lung trainer. So until then, make every breath count, and we will see you soon.